And here it is. Hey, this is Alex with FileDrop, and I want to show you another feature of the new sidebar we've added to FileDrop. It's the folder report. What does this do is it generates a report to see if the files that are in those folders are shared, or maybe you want to do something about that. Let's copy this folder ID, go here and click generate report. Again, it might take a while for this to be created because with folders with many files, it takes a while to read all the files and so on. So let's see, maybe it's done already. And here it is. So this is the title of the files, this is the ID, the URL, the type, the size of these folders, where is the location, the owner, if other users are involved, editors or viewers, and these are some timestamps for creation date and last time modified. I hope you find this useful. You can use the ID to do other things here, and I'm going to show you in the next demo.